Hey, everyone. Imagine dropping 10 pounds in just 30 days without starving yourself or feeling miserable. Sounds impossible, right? Well, guess what? I did it. And today I'm going to show you exactly how, with my step-by-step meal plan and workout routine that helped me shed those pounds fast while still enjoying my food. Are you ready to lose weight and feel absolutely amazing? I know you are. Believe it or not, you can totally lose 10 pounds in just 30 days. Yes, you heard that right. I've helped thousands of people achieve their weight loss goals, and I know you can do it too. It's not about magic or quick fixes. It's about making small, healthy changes that add up over time. This isn't about deprivation or starving yourself. This is about feeling your best, both physically and mentally. Imagine waking up every day feeling energized and confident. This isn't another crash diet. Those don't work and often leave you feeling worse than before. We're focusing on making lasting changes that you can maintain for a lifetime. It's about building healthy habits that stick. This means eating nutritious, delicious food and moving your body in ways that you enjoy. It's about finding a balance that works for you. Trust me, you can do this. I believe in you, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. So let's get started on this incredible journey together. Let's make those 10 pounds disappear and feel good all around. Forget crazy fad diets, they're not sustainable. We're talking about a lifestyle change. This is about nourishing your body with whole foods. Think fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. It's about moving your body in ways you enjoy. Walking, dancing, swimming, find what you love. This is about feeling good inside and out. It's about creating healthy habits that stick. Let's talk food. This meal plan is a guideline, adjusted to fit your needs. The key is balance. Each meal should have protein, carbs, and healthy fats. This keeps you full and energized. Think of this as a template. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Swap out ingredients you don't like. The most important thing is that you're eating whole, unprocessed foods. Breakfast is key. It gets your metabolism going, plus it sets you up for a successful day. Here are some ideas to get you started. Option 1, oatmeal with berries and nuts. Option 2, scrambled eggs with spinach and whole wheat toast. Option 3, Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. These breakfasts are packed with nutrients. They'll keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. Remember, breakfast is your friend. Section 5, lunchtime recharge. Power through your day. Don't let your energy dip in the afternoon. These lunch ideas will power you through. Option 1, big salad with grilled chicken or fish. Option 2, leftovers from dinner. Option 3, veggie burger on a whole wheat bun. Make lunch exciting. No more boring salads unless you love those. Add different textures and flavors. Section 6, dinner delights, nourishing your body after a long day. Dinner should be delicious and satisfying. Here are some healthy and flavorful ideas. Option 1, salmon with roasted vegetables. Option 2, chicken stir-fry with brown rice. Option 3, lentil soup with a side salad. Get the whole family involved in dinner. Cooking together can be fun. Plus, it's a great way to teach healthy habits. Section 7, snack attack, healthy bites to keep you going. Snacking can be part of a healthy lifestyle. Choose snacks that are high in protein and fiber. Here are some ideas. Option 1, apple slices with peanut butter. Option 2, a handful of almonds. Option 3, Greek yogurt. Stay away from processed snacks and sugary drinks. Those will only sabotage your efforts. Plan your snacks ahead of time. Section 8, get moving. Welcome to your journey towards a healthier, fitter you. This is where the magic happens, and it all starts with a plan. Your 30-day workout plan awaits. This plan is designed to kickstart your fitness journey, providing structure and variety to keep you motivated and engaged. Exercise is crucial for weight loss and overall health. It boosts your metabolism, improves cardiovascular health, and enhances your mood. Whether you're jogging in the park or joining a group fitness class, every bit of movement counts. This plan combines cardio and strength training. Cardio exercises help burn calories and improve heart health, while strength training builds muscle, which in turn increases your resting metabolic rate. Do this routine 3 to 4 times a week. Consistency is key. Set reminders on your fitness app or mark your calendar to stay on track. Monday, cardio for 30 minutes, running, biking, swimming, or dancing. Choose an activity you enjoy to make it fun and sustainable. Tuesday, strength training for 30 minutes. Focus on different muscle groups. Incorporate exercises like squats, bench presses, and deadlifts to target major muscle groups. Wednesday, rest or active rest with yoga or stretching. Active rest days help your muscles recover while maintaining flexibility and reducing stress. Thursday, cardio for 30 minutes. Try high-intensity interval training. High-at workouts are efficient and effective, combining short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest. Friday, strength training for 30 minutes. Increase the weight or resistance. Challenge yourself by gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts. Saturday, long walk or hike. Enjoy the great outdoors and get some fresh air while staying active. Hiking is a great way to build endurance and strength. Sunday, rest and recover. Take this day to relax, meditate, and let your body heal. Recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves. This is just a sample workout plan. Feel free to customize it based on your fitness level and preferences. The goal is to create a routine that you can stick to. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. If something doesn't feel right, modify the exercise or take a break. Your body knows best. The most important thing is to move your body every day. Whether it's a structured workout or just a walk around the block, keep moving and stay active. Your journey to better health starts now. Section 9. Consistency is key. You got this. Life happens. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a workout or eat a slice of pizza. Just get back on track the next day. Consistency is more important than perfection. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to hold you accountable can make a big difference. Celebrate your wins. Every pound lost is a victory. Section 10. You've got this. Remember, every step you take is a step towards a better you. Embrace the journey to a healthier you. Believe in yourself. Each healthy choice you make, no matter how small, is a victory. You have the power to change your life. Every drop of sweat, every healthy meal, every moment of self-care brings you closer to your goals. This is about so much more than losing weight. It's about gaining confidence, finding inner peace, and discovering a new sense of self-worth. It's about building energy and health. It's about waking up each day feeling more vibrant and alive. It's about feeling your absolute best. Imagine the joy of reaching your milestones and celebrating your progress. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Take your time, enjoy the process, and appreciate every moment. There will be ups and downs. Some days will be harder than others, but that's okay. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. But the important thing is to never give up on yourself. You are worth it. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and remember why you started this journey. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Section 11. Join the movement. Let's get healthy together. You don't have to do this alone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us to continue to bring you valuable information. So hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together.